Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today's video we're going to be doing a straight to the point tutorial. I do apologise that this is going to be a wee voiceover, but you know, sometimes has to be done. So as you can see here, first of all, my loves, I'm going to be doing the most boring thing on planet Earth. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I absolutely hate doing this on camera, so I thought since we're doing a voiceover, I might as well treat you to doing my eyebrows on camera, honestly. Who else finds it so boring? It's really? Why? Why? But I did realise that I didn't even show you what I was using. I think I was that pissed that I decided to do it, but anyway, it will all be listed and linked down below in the description box for you. I'm not amused one bit. I don't know why I dislike doing my eyebrows on camera so much. What are you looking at, mate? What are you looking at? But anyway, we're going to start on the base makeup. So for primer, I'm going to be taking this wee primer. It's called the Touch and Soul primer. It's the No Pore primer anyway. And I'm actually just using it just to use it up. Same with the Too Faced foundation. And this was the day, guys. This was the freaking day. I finally used it up. I've been honestly trying to use this foundation up for what, months at this point? Or a couple of weeks anyway. Months, what am I on about? But yeah, we finally got it used up. And that wee primer, even though it's kind of like a pore blurring primer, it actually was quite nice. And then to conceal, I'm taking the NARS Creamy Concealer, and I think I'm using the shade Vanilla. And I do apologise that I'm eating continuously through this tutorial. What's new? And I think my hair changes at least 3 or 4 times as well. So I do apologise about that. My hair is obviously, well, yeah, this is actually my natural hair, by the way, as you maybe kind of figured, you know, it's the hair I grew myself. You rarely ever see it in my tutorials. But this was my hair pretty natural, and I just wasn't really feeling having a wig on today, so yeah. And then I'm just going to be doing some cream contouring, and I actually think I'm laughing at a Bailey Syrian video. I think that's who I was watching, and I don't know, it's a wee bit concerning or worrying that you're actually getting a good old laugh to yourself whenever you're watching a murder mystery makeup type video, or like a video on true crime, put it that way, seriously. Oh dear me. But I think for a cream bronzer, the one I was actually taking was the wee one from Colourpop, the Touch, what am I on about? The Soul Body one, and it was in the shade Medium Dark. And then just to bake a wee bit, I'm going to be taking the translucent powder from Hourglass. This is the Veil translucent powder. Such a beautiful wee powder. And then to set my base, I just set this wee t-shirt over my chest because I absolutely hate getting setting spray on my chest. I can't be the only one. It feels absolutely horrific. So yeah, so weird. Sorry, I was just taking a drink of water there, my goodness. Oh, and there I go, filling my face again, honestly, Christ. So yeah, guys, for highlight, as you did see, I'm going to be taking my MAC Soft and Gentle, I think it is. Yeah, my MAC Soft and Gentle. Absolutely beautiful highlight. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for years and years at this point, and it's a highlight I always go back to. And then this wee highlight is one from XX Revolution, and as you can see, it is a vibrant orange. Very, very beautiful. Love it. And then my Makeup Forever bronzer. Self-explanatory. Just going to do some bronzing with that. And now, guys, we're going to jump right into the eyes. And as you can see from, well, I'm guessing the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing something really, really nice and smoky. I think it's been a while since I've actually done like a really full-blown smoky eye on camera. Like just kind of like a mixture between like my go-to smoky eye and like my everyday kind of smoky eye, but obviously more smoke. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I'm so glad I actually ended up filming this. So yeah, and of course, as you did see there, I'm taking the Colourpop Bare Necessities palette. I think this is actually the first or second time I've actually used it, but this was the first time I've done like a full-blown smoky eye with it, and obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. I love it so much. So of course, guys, whenever you are doing like a smoky eye, like you will see that I do like my own wee different wee quirks and everything. Like just kind of play about whenever you're working with smoky eyes, and especially with your neutral tones and shades, like your browns and your taupes and your beiges. Kind of like play around with your eye shapes, see what works for you, see what you like, see what you don't like. Like I just love playing. Like I think my everyday makeup, especially whenever it comes to my eyes, it changes like all the time, at least 2 or 3 times a year, because I just try out so many different wee techniques and shapes and styles on my eyes with neutral tones and palettes. And yeah, I just kind of like playing, I suppose. But this is definitely like my favorite look at the minute. It's definitely like my go-to. Like I just love like a smoky wind liner situation. Absolutely obsessed. It's so nice and soft and complimentary on any type of face. God, that sounded great, Emma. That sounded great. But no, I absolutely love like a brown smoky wing. I just find that black's great, yeah, but it can be a wee bit too harsh. Like I'm obsessed with soft glam. Soft glam's the best. And this is just like ultimate soft glam with a lot of smoke. I love it. But of course here I'm actually just taking this wee Kylie Cosmetics brush, and the fluffy side is a bit damaged to say the least, actually. But it just kind of means that I'm able to give everything a good old blend together. And then here I'm just intensifying the smoky liner with a darker brown, and then I also think I took that on the lower lash line as well, and then I even further deepened and darkened up, yeah, here, the lower lash line as well, just to really smoke it out. And then I just took this wee highlight shade and I just popped that on the inner corner. And for my mascara, guys, I used the Makeup Forever Excessive Mascara, and then for my lashes, my false lashes, these are just wee unbranded cheap affordable lashes that I just cut in half, so they're unbranded, so I can't really tell you what they are. And then this wee lip liner from Colourpop, I'm pretty sure it's in the shade BFF 3 or 4. And then this is the Mellow Cosmetics liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Ibiza, and it's actually been my favourite go-to liquid lipstick shade at the minute. It's just absolutely perfect. I'm really glad I done this zoom in. Look at that moustache. Seriously, I love that for me. Why did I do this to myself? But it's just the most perfect shade, as you can see, especially for everyday wear. And this is the complete look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!